Stuck on preparing update? First, connect the power to make sure your iPhone has enough power to update. If it doesn't work, check your iPhone storage. And make sure you have connected to Wi-Fi. Or you can reset network settings and reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Still stuck on preparing update? Then try to use iTunes to update. Connect to iTunes, and it will remind you to update. Or click the icon of your iPhone, and click update. If you meet difficulty to use iTunes, then we suggest you to use UltFone iOS system repair. Just click repair operating system and click fix now. And download the firmware. Then click repair now. Now, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 14.